Welcome to my channel Best GIS Tutorial. In today's lecture we will work on line element density. So open the software. As you know that in previous lecture we work on stream order map, which is that one. Now I show you in table of content. This is stream order map which we prepared in previous lecture. Now today we will further proceed it and work on line element density maps. So go to our toolbox and go to special analyst tool. Special analyst tool, go to density tool, and density tool click on line density map. Line density, go to input polyline feature, which is stream to feature. Now go to environment and go to processing extent. Processing extent, check the extent to same as or study area. Study area is same as earlier, study area. Now go to raster analysis and select the study area same as above. Click on OK. Now OK. Wait for the result. Now line element density map is prepared. So go to table of content and click on it and go to properties. In properties, go to symbology and classify it. Here you can change the color. Suppose I choose this one and click on apply and click on OK. So this is the line density map which is prepared in GIS software. Hope you will learn this. So by this way you can prepare the drainage density map. Hope you will learn it and will do it easily. Thank you.